Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmopsy Poe!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its tongue out of control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with its giant...
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Sweet monster in the sky!
My home is out sweet, and on my birthday, I thought you cared about me.
Come on, this way.
Wait for this 100 overseals. Turn it on and George and ready. Turn it and lock it down. There's nothing down here. I have our paperwork, number one. Concentration, Niner.
I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, too?
Race you to the scare floor. They'll never find her door now.
Oh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Hi, Banana.
I love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area. We spread out and locked it down. Just carefully. We have to do this on your own good. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here today. We responded to a 2319 in progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the weather